Oh.
Thank you.
Going up.
Oh, do they have to do that?
Yeah, we have to do that.
What? You have to. Oh.
You have to do.
What do I show them? I did it.
Green, you did it. 32. Yeah, 32.
Oh, it didn't go. It didn't go through.
It didn't
You
go.
have to try again.
You push the button first or no?
You put the key first, and I don't know why it's not working.
How do you know?
I tried, and it's a,
Key first, then select your floor.
Well, that's what I did.
Wait a minute. Because he's hitting 43. We're on 35.
Going down.
yeah. So
So you might as well go back there.
We're going down. We want to go.
You want to go down?
we were trying to act.
We're trying to go up.
And then the elevator didn't work for some odd reason.
It's all right. It's just an extra ride for the day. Okay.
Are we moving?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell.
It is hard to tell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going all the way down?
Yeah, they're going to.
Yeah. Do you mind to see if your key is working? Because sometimes it could.
Okay.
Let me try mine first because I'm on the lower floor. Maybe that's it.
Yeah,
Going
let's-
up.
Okay, now do 32.
Okay, let's try.
Okay. Now you try.
Okay, you want to wait until we get to 32? Okay, you're going to
43.
43.
Can you try again?
30 seconds.
No, mine went in, yours didn't.
Yeah, I don't know, but
I just
Maybe
maybe
after we
it
get
over.
out.
yeah, let's try.
Oh, yeah, maybe that's it. Maybe we gotta get off first.
Good luck.
Thank you.
32.
Alright,
We'll
thank
come
you.
looking for you.
Alright. Here. Well, that was a long one. So we're at the Borgata casino and spa in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Oh well, we did go up to 36, so I guess that's good enough. But let's go up to let's go up to my hotel room. So let's do this as a tour, so that way. Perfect. Yes, let's try to do this as like a way to do it. Right, so now we're gonna go to my hotel room. I'm doing like a little tour. Like, perfect. My room is here. Oh. Alright. My room is on 16th. I guess it didn't work for anything, but oh well. Alright, so we're gonna do a little hotel tour. So hopefully we got. This one's a little bumpier than the other ones. Nice. Alright, it's 47. It should be 47. Oh, this way. 33, 34. It's probably way over there. Right. Right. Perfect. All right. So this is the hotel tour. This is the bathroom, sink, and of course the powder room. And then you got the mirror here. And then you got the king bed here and the mirror. And then you have your nice open view. And there's the Water Club Hotel and the rest of the outskirts of New Jersey. So, all right. So I'm gonna chill here for a little bit and then we'll do some more things later on. See ya. And you also got the TV and the lamp. Okay. See ya.